If you want to maintain your privacy while using Skyscanner, you can hide your online status. Follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open Skyscanner app. Launch the Skyscanner app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option. Look for the Settings or Privacy section within your account. Step 3. Find Privacy Options. In the Settings menu, search for Privacy Options. This section will contain various settings related to your online presence and visibility. Step 4. Toggle Online Status. Locate the option for Online Status Visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. This may be labeled as Show Online Status or something similar. Step 5. Save Changes. After adjusting the online status setting, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to apply the new settings. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Skyscanner. Enjoy browsing with enhanced privacy.